video on how to turn your pilot light on your gas fireplace. I have two switches over here. This left one is for the flame. Turn it off, on. It's this one. This one's the blower. It's not warmed up yet, so it's not gonna kick on. But as you can see, put this this opening down. I have an ignite button, but you only need that if your pilot light's off. So turn this to off. Everything's off. This is your main for your gas. You have natural gas. So that's off. So everything's off except for this igniter switch. So that's off. So everything's off. Now it's on. Gas is on. You're gonna want to turn your pilot light on. At the bottom it says pilot, as you can see on the metal, right down there, where my fingertip is. And then you want the off pointing towards the pilot. Now you'll turn this knob to pilot. It's got a little bit of rigidness so you can feel it stopping. You actually have to depress that button. It goes in like just a hair. It doesn't feel like it goes in, but it does. So I'm gonna try to do this with my wrist, holding the phone. So pushing it in and putting the ignite button, and that actually sparks up there. Release the knob and the pilot light's on. Now what you do is you turn this to let that heat up, turn it to on, and the flame will come on. And that's how you turn your fireplace on. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. You know, when you're done, close the door, and you're good to go. Enjoy your fireplace. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.